I want you to look as good as possible in this coming year, and to do so, you follow these 6 steps. I'm gonna change how you're completely dressing, starting with number 1. Kill off designer, bro. Look, I've seen a steady decline in the hype I think was like 2016, 2017, 2018. Since then, I just seen a steady decline of like your Gucci, that LV type of hype train stuff, and now Balenciaga, they're a bunch of pedos, bro. So stop wasting your money on that garbage and understand that at the end of the day, labels do not matter. And honestly, now when I see Gucci and stuff like that, I think it's more tacky than anything else because it's so easy to get counterfeit now. It just looks tasteless and you're wasting your money. If you really want to better your style, buy brandless stuff. Buy stuff that's low key, right? That's not in your face, that's not trying to show that you're rich. Keep your stuff simple. Low or minimal branding at best. And what the best part about this is that it's classic, it's timeless. This crew neck, a simple blue crew neck, I could have worn it in 2018 and looked great. 5 years later, I'm still wearing it today and it'll look great. Number 2, upgrade accessories. I don't think men fully understand just how powerful accessories are to build up a wardrobe. It really has the power to restructure what you already have without actually buying new clothes. So what I usually like to do, because there's a lot of accessories, make a list, right? Most of you probably have some and not all. So all right, you got necklaces, you got rings, you got watches, you got bracelets, you got sunglasses. So out of that list, what do you have? Whatever you don't have, then prioritize, right? What's the most impactful? Now, obviously, I'm biased because I have a sunglass company, but I have it's like a chicken or egg, right? I have a sunglass company because I believe it's one of the most impactful accessories a man can have. So that should be on the top of your list. Look, when it comes to dressing well, the best accessory you can have are sunglasses. No other accessory out of that entire list, or any accessory you can name, has the ability to actually make you look physically attractive. Sunglasses scientifically can make you look significantly more attractive because it structures your face. It adds balance, it adds symmetry on top of hiding imperfections, on top of it being a style item that elevates pieces, right? So when you have an outfit, you put on a pair of glasses, you look better, on top of the functionality that sunglasses serve to protect your eyes from sun's rays. It's incredible to me that all those benefits that sunglasses have, and yet studies have found that almost 40% of men still aren't wearing sunglasses. Like, you are leaving so much on the table, and I don't want you to be that guy in 2023, so I'm gonna hook it up. You know what? And commemorance to the 40% of men that are making a bad decision in life, I'm gonna hope you make a great decision. I'm gonna give you 40% off of Jade Black. If I'm gonna make the bundle for you. If you guys click the link down below, I'm gonna give you 4 pairs of glasses. The Milans, these are our new ones, ultra sexy. That's this is what you would wear with the suit. The Leons, these are like our trendy ones, right? The ones you would wear with the oversized tee, the oversized hoodie, super sick. The Toms, these are our squared off frames, more structured, a little bit larger. And finally, our Commanders, something classic, something timeless. Those 4 glasses will give you everything you need for 2023. And if you guys buy them today, I'm giving you 40% off to start the year right. If you guys want to check them out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, try new styles. You should not be stuck in the past. Look, I'm a sucker for classic pieces. I talk about them all the time. I have certain pieces in my wardrobe that are 2, 3, 4, 5 years old. That's great. But at the end of the day, style should be fun. And I've been dressing well since I was like 16, 17. If I would be stuck on the same style from that year, I would have been bored out of my mind and quit a long time ago. The fun part with style is that you can try new pieces, new aesthetics, new fits that you are not used to, and it kind of keeps everything creative and fun in a way that's actually energizing for you to want to get up that day, dress well, and show the best version of yourself. And understand, it's not just with style. You could do it with your hair, right? Try something different. If you've always had a buzz cut, grow it out. If you've grown it out, get a shorter cut, get a crop cut. Change your hairstyle. It's just as effective as changing your style, and just revitalize your 2023 so you're not the dude that's been dressing the same way for 5, 10 years. 4, clean out the trash. I would say 70 to 80% of your wardrobe is useless. And I know what you're thinking, Jose, what the hell? You want me to throw out your closet? Yeah, pretty much. Because if you really think about it, if you really analyze your wardrobe, I guarantee you only wear about 20 to 30% of it. Meaning 20 to 30% are the pieces that you actually like, that make you feel good. These are the ones you wear on a daily basis. You like those jeans, you like how those fit, you like how that tee and that tee fits. That's about it. Everything else is just bulk. And that's what it is, right? At the end of the day, all that stuff is really just taking up space and taking up time in the morning for you trying to make this imaginary decision when we all know you're going to gravitate back to the same pair of jeans you always love to wear. So what that should tell you is that 80% of your closet should go. Anything that's shrunk, overstretched, faded, bacon neck, torn, stained, anything that's just out of style, gone. You could sell it on eBay. I guarantee you, if you were to sell your wardrobe, you could probably make another 100, 200, shoot, maybe even a 500, depending on how expensive your wardrobe is. You make an extra 500 bucks. Now you can take those 500 bucks and buy pieces like those jeans that you like, buy them in multiple colors. That tee you like, buy them in multiple colors. Buy the pieces you know you like to wear. Number 5, work on your body. This is your vessel. At the end of the day, this is what's gonna make you look good or not. When you're athletic and fit, I promise you, everything looks good on you. It'll look good on you better than any other guy. When you work on your vessel, you're basically working on your clothes because everything you throw on that body or on that frame will look good. And on top of that, you'll have more options, right? You know, guys that are overweight, guys that have too much fat, they always tell me the same complaint. They can't find clothes that fit, and the clothes that do fit are out of style, and the ones that are in style, it's a very small selection. Don't make your life harder. Instead of making your life harder that way, make it harder by going into the gym, right? Pick your struggle. I'd rather pick this struggle, right? You're gonna expand your life and you're gonna make it easier for you to be able to pick clothes from any department store because it's gonna fit your frame. This takes me to number 6. Use different textures. You'll see it right now. I got my chinos, right? I got my cable knit. Textures change up outfits. Look, at the end of the day, this is a simple outfit, right? You got your chinos, a dark sweater, but if you want to kind of revitalize your wardrobe, change your textures. My advice always seeps into my businesses. Like, I don't just give you advice to give you advice. I give you advice because I put it into practice myself, and then I put it into practice into my businesses. If you check out Essentials, a lot of the new pieces that I've been dropping have a lot of texture, right? The cable knits, the heavy knit, the corduroys. I'm adding all these different textures into the collections because I want you to have access to these pieces that are going to revitalize your wardrobe. Even though they're still classic, they're still simple, they're still basic, the texture just adds that extra oomph, that little extra detail that most other guys aren't paying attention to and will make you dress better in 2023.